All right, here we are. Are you recording? We're here at Beckman Center at the San Diego Safari Zoo, putting this video wall here. We'll get back to you once we're done. Yeah, my kids were asking about these videos. How come I don't talk? Well, shout out to Alec and Ari for this video. There you go.
That was good.
70, 71 is the end over there. And then 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. Once they're done with that, I'm gonna move on to the next row.
See, we have Hirsch right here. He's taking care of the cables, data, running power, and that's where we're at right now. We'll give me a 5.5 ladder from the truck. That way I could get up there and really get in there, you know what I mean? Then go home. How do I get out of this thing?
I wanna be the very best.
Oh, that's not a lot, dude. That's like, yeah, pet a pig? Pet a pig or what? Oh, that's fucking, he's gonna catch them all.
So all the cabinets are up, all the wiring is done. Putting panels on. After the panels are on, we'll fix some seams. It seems to be okay for now.
But they're really proud of that.
Here all week. We're here at San Diego Zoo, the Beckman Center, and our video wall is up and complete. There's no content on it yet, but there will be. There you have it, one day install.